इट इज जस्ट ऍक्च्युअली ती कास्ट म्हणतो महत्वाचो न्ही. बेसिकली जे पळय कश्टकरी समाज आसा तांचे खातीर जे वावुरतात त्या लोकांकच हे मेळटाले अशे तरेचे आशिल्ले. आय एम स्टील ऑन दॅट पॉयंट की हो कश्टकरी समाज एक तेंपार तांच्या लिडरांक जो हे करून दितालो, इलेक्ट करून दितालो, तो मागीर हे कित्याक करना जालो. तुमची गोवन लोक पक्षा वेळार केलें ना, एमजीकी करपाक सोडून दिले, बाकीच्याकी करपाक सोडून दिले.
सादें हें आसा,
पॉलिटिकल आयडेंटिटी बदलली काय तुम्ही तुमची पॉलिटिकल आयडेंटिटी इस्टॅब्लिश करपाक शकले ना.
नाही, भारत स्वतंत्र जाल्यानंतर, देश स्वतंत्र जाल्यानंतर सुरवातीक जो काँग्रेसीक जो सपोर्ट आसतलो तो आज आसा? तो आज ना. तो कित्याक गेलो? आमचे वो रत्नागिरी धरुया किंवा आमचो सिंधुदुर्ग वो जो आसा मतदारसंघ रत्नागिरीचो, दक्षिण कोंकण, तो कितल्या वर्षां पर्यंत समाजवादी पक्षाचो बाले किल्लो म्हणटाले. आज कितें आसा?
सो व्हॉट इज इट कासार बाब? इट इज फेल्युअर ऑफ द लिडरशिप. व्हाय आर यू ब्लेमिंग द वोटर्स फॉर दॅट वेन लिडरशिप फेल्स?
इट इज नॉट द लिडरशिप. एक्चुअली ह्या हातून कितें आसा ना, ज्या वेळार देशांत अशी परिस्थिती घडत आसा आनी द स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज आसा पॉप्युलेशनांत तीच येत आसा, त्या वेळार आमच्या लिडरांनी गोंयच्या जे उसरां आमी स्वतंत्र जाले तेंच्यांनी इतर भारतांत कितें घडलां हें पयलीं शिकूंक जाय आसलें आनी त्या प्रमाणे हांगाचें धोरण ठरोवंक जाय आसलें. तें धोरण ठरयलें ना तेन्ना आय एम नॉट.
बट ही इज सेइंग दॅट द नॅशनल मेन स्ट्रीम इज कंप्लिटली नाव
तशें ना.
इंटिग्रेशन जालां टोटल.
तें एवॉयड करपा पासत आमी कितें करपाचें हें केन्ना तरी आमी विचार केलो की देशान पळय अशें अशें सुरू जालें.
संदेश आतां सबंद देशान आमी पळयलें न्ही, सावथाक सगळ्याक पळय तूं, तामिळनाडू पळय, आंध्र प्रदेश पळय, बंगालाक पळय किंवा इवन युपीन ते सगळे कडेन प्रादेशीक पक्षाचे पळय सत्ता आतां सगळे कडेन. गोव्यात मात्र कितें जालां, प्रादेशीक पक्ष सोबत आयल्या.
कित्या खातीर?
नाही थंय प्रादेशीक पक्ष
कित्या खातीर?
नाही,
गोंयचो रिजनल एस्पिरेशन्स कितें आशिल्ली ती सोंपली म्हणून काय कित्याक? गोंयकारांची रिजनल एस्पिरेशन्स बीजेपी आनी काँग्रेस फुलफिल करता.
जे देशाचें उदाहरण दिता प्रादेशीक पक्ष येता म्हणून ते खरे प्रादेशीक पक्ष न्हय, ते जातीय पक्ष.
संदेश
जातींचे त्या हितून त्या जातींचो समूह खूब मोठो आसा. आतां धरुया मायावतीची बहुजन समाज पार्टी ही रिजनल म्हणून येना, ती बहुजन समाज पार्टी म्हणूनच येता.
संदेश कितें जालें मरे गोंयां? सी गोंयांत डिफिकल्टी कितें जाता, there is for a regional force you require both the Goan communities to come together and say we are Goans and we let us fight for this. Unfortunately
तुम्ही मराठी एक्सेप्ट करा, आम्ही
no that is what I'm trying. Let me complete. So there is complete distrust between the Catholic and the Goan Hindu. I'm a bailan, I'm a sorry sangta, but in reality there is distrust, and that is a major cause why the national parties are holding sway in Goa and we cannot come together. You see, a leader from Salsa is not acceptable.
No, what is that which national parties can do and you can't do?
No, they have the money, everything. Money power. See, today.
Money? तुमच्याकडे पैसेकारक लोक तुम्ही सगळे पैसेकारक आहे का? तुम्ही बाबूश मनसराचा घेतलो,
No, correct, absolutely.
Money.
That is precisely what I'm telling you.
तुमच्याकडे किती असता, त्यांच्याकडे किती?
That is what I'm trying to tell you. See, आमकोड पैसे ना. हांव इलेक्शनाक बसले, हांव जिखना because I don't have money.
No, but तुमचे कॅन्डिडेटाकडे असता.
Listen रे संदेश, हांव बसलो, I don't win. अनाकलेत बसलो, मतांनी बसलो, एक पार्टी तो मेता स्ट्रिपार जिखलो, मागीर जिखूना. बाबूश आमगे तिकेटचेर बसला जिखता, बाबूश आनी हुंचे तिकेटचेर बसला जिखता because he has the money. That's what I'm trying to point out. Everybody now, every political party is seeking candidates who have money and who have been pumping it. The BJP is talking of Nilesh Kabral in, whether they give him the ticket, I don't know, in Kushore. Now, Nilesh Kabral is in mining, he's got a lot of money. He is not even from there. He's gone and he's become a contender, a very big contender for ticket only because he has money. Anil Salgaonkar wins in Samvardhan. For what? Minus the money, what is there with Anil Salgaonkar? So everywhere it is money. Today, Miki Pacheco and Ale Sikera are the main contenders in Nuve because both of them are pumping in money.
Correct.
So therefore, what the voters want is money.
फरक विचारता नाही, difference. What is the difference between national parties and the regional parties? You have also money, national parties have
money. We don't
money.
have money, no.
नाही. त्यावर येता नाही इलेक्शन.
पैसे
करांक घेऊन. No, because there is no ideology.
No, not really no ideology. They go where there is.
He is saying because you have no ideology, that's why.
And they have come only to increase their wealth. They have come to increase more.
See,
this is investment for them.
Today now the BJP has taken Mathanin, BJP has taken Prabhudev, that Faldesai from Subhash Faldesai. So forget about regional parties, man. The national parties, they are trading their own MLAs or picking up people from here and there who have money. आम्ही वी आर स्मॉल पार्टीज हिअर
न्ही,
स्ट्रगलिंग
पूण ते लोक तांचे कडेन उरतात, तुमचे कडेन कित्याक उरनात?
नो दे स्टिक टू पॉवर. सी
ताका
आमकां
solution एकूच आहा.
पावर आमचो आसो दे स्टिक टू
आता
पॉवर.
सोल्युशन एकूच आहा. सगळे बहुजन समाज आहा पळय, लेट अस कम टुगेदर. यू
I
एक्सेप्ट
agree with
प्रपोजल
you.
ऑफ मराठी. BC
No, if Sandesh accepts
ऑफिशियल
Marathi,
लँग्वेज.
I may thereafter agree. Tell
ऑफिशियल
Sandesh.
लँग्वेज.
Let Sandesh say.
इट इज पॉसिबल.
You see, personally for me, Marathi or Konkani is a non-issue, personally. But for the public, it is still. And let me also see, talk freely, that for the Catholic community today, language is not an issue at all. For the Catholic today, generally, see, our people do not depend on Konkani or Marathi for our livelihood.
Correct.
90% of the Catholics today, if you come to my village, they are all earning their livelihood abroad. It doesn't matter, go on. Only we have that, Baba Amgel Gaon Sambar po itlench. We do not depend for, unlike the people from the government servant, kona han Catholic ho, not even 7% men. So we are not dependent on that. But we have this feeling, this is our land, it has to be protected. Politics is no issue. We find that outsiders are coming and sitting over our heads. And that is what everywhere discussion. We are not dependent on go on this for, our community is not dependent. You will come and see in my village. Money comes from abroad. They all work abroad.
No, no, outsiders are coming here to fill the vacuum.
Correct.
Which we have. आम्ही खूपशे
Correct.
काम करपा बंद केल्यात.
Yes.
ताका लागून येतात.
Absolutely right.
It is not coming and sitting over the head. आम्ही आमची जागा तांका खाली करून दिल्यात सगळे. That's why they are coming.
No,
here.
no, but there is a difference. See, when we go anywhere, they come here. See, I have no problem with outsider coming, buying a flat and sitting here. You come and create Moti Dongor, you come and create Sankwal, you come and create Chimbel, just occupy the land, and then you get preference over others, creating vote bank. This should not be permitted. See, people who see,
Yeah, now they are demanding seats also.
no, exactly.
Yeah.
So therefore, there
Why
must
they
be-
should not demand? Because they have become Goans now.
Yeah.
no,
Reservation.
they have become Goans by illegal means. See, if anyone who has money comes and buys, I have no difficulty.
राधाराव, the whole वास्कोचे सगळे डोंगर, सगळ्या डोंगरांचेर गोंयकार रावतात, all workers, and all houses are illegal. They were illegal. They were called illegal till yesterday,
Fukat
and
nagar.
all Goans were living there. But not
Handful
Goans.
men. Where only in Sada.
सडा एरिया.
No, no,
Only
no.
in Sada, they get
Not
paid in
Sada.
Chaya.
It is whole new Wadiam भितर
Zale,
more
zale.
than 50% are
Few.
Goans.
Yes.
Okay, Chikli भितर रावता more than 50% are Goans.
oh, yes. So what is the difference from Pednin? They are voting there. We have no
Yeah.
difficulty.
So
We
it's
are coming from
housing,
Karnataka and voting
everybody
here.
has a
That is
right to
trouble.
live. That is, let us not discuss that issue. Everybody has a right to live. आणि ताके ते मागीर legalize करून दिवचे काय कितें is
No,
an
no,
issue.
that is the whole problem.
But the main thing I am still asking की regional parties, regional aspirations घेऊन मुखार सरनात हे कित्या खातीर जाता वेर आणि हांव अजून म्हणटा की तुमकां दिसना की actually the leadership is failing and you are blaming the people. That is what I am asking you. The leadership is failing. What do you feel about it?
See,
You तुमची
No, no,
leadership
no.
failed or succeeded? What is it?
No, leadership has failed.
Why
we,
it has
we
failed?
could not lead. That is
Why? What
that
was
is
the
there.
reason?
We could not
Why?
lead.
Why?
The
Why?
reason
Why?
I have said
No,
is, you see, what happens is, there must be a one leader who is acceptable to everyone. And in the last 30 years or 40 years, there's only one person I have seen who at some point of time gained a semblance of acceptability across what I would say novas conquistas and velhas conquistas. That is old conquest and new conquest. There's only one leader, and that was Churchill Alemão. In 1996, I used to go with him all over.
Yeah.
I saw him gain support in Pedne, in Madka, in hardcore Marathi areas.
Correct.
Unfortunately, you see, we need one leader who can unite everybody. Unfortunately, Churchill's, I had then thought maybe he will be able to get, because he was accepted. People were accepting him, that he would be the leader under which
He
we
was
could.
accepted that time.
That time I'm saying.
That time because the MG leadership told all that population that he is Valmiki, who actually wrote Ramayana.
No, whatever it may be, but he was
Huh?
accepted.
Whatever, no, that is what was published there, no, Valmiki.
आणि तो मराठी कविता
हा?
म्हणून दाखवतात
या,
एरे एरे पावसा.
आणि तो एरे पावसा मराठी म्हणता.
पण तो लोकांमध्ये पावतालो तो लोक इकडे
Yes,
म्हणून
yes,
लोक तशे
that is
वतालो.
true.
So therefore, unfortunately, Churchill did not have, the capability to hold on. He had no what you call self-belief. And he again went into the Congress and ruined everything.
या एकच सांगात म्हजेकडे एक शेवटची 2 मिनिटं उरल्यात ह्या 2 मिनिटां भितर म्हाका फक्त इन शॉर्ट सामकें 2 मिनिटं म्हणजे प्रत्येकाक कितली मिनिटं मेळटा ती तुम्ही लक्षात घ्यात 30 सेकंदां वयर मेळनात एक्झॅक्टली ह्यो रिजनल पार्टीक फ्युचर आसा काय ना हाजे नंतर आणि असं जाल्यार तें कशें आसपाक इतलेंच सांगात आमी सोंपोवया.
नाही म्हज्या तर कोतान रिजनल पार्टी पळय आहा न्ही आतां MG सोबत आयल्या 2 आहा ते फुडले मागून युती जाल्यार कितें जावंक शकता नाजाल्यार तेंचे ना UGDP तांचे निवडून आयले तर ते पुन्हा वतले काँग्रेसीन फॉर्म गव्हर्मेंट आणि बाकीचे आता गोवा विकास पार्टी पळय आहा न्ही तातूंत एका म्हाका एक येवं शकता
सो हें जातलें
तांकां भवितव्य ना हे म्हाका
रिजनल पार्टीक कांयच
No,
भवितव्य
कांयच
ना
भवितव्य
अशें
ना.
तुमी-
नाही देशात जे हे आसा सबंद नॅशनल पार्टी म्हणून आम्ही ज्यो म्हणतात त्यो नॅशनल खंय उरल्यात त्योच रिजनल जाल्यात. कांय राज्यांनीच आतां सत्ता उरल्या आमची म्हणना फुडें हे जे घडत आसा नॅशनल पार्टी बाबतचें तें जर ह्या रिजनल पार्टी बाबत घडलें जाल्यार तें आश्चर्य न्हय. इट इज ए नॅशनल क्रायसीस खरें म्हणजे की नॅशनल पार्टी सुद्दां नॅशनल उरना ती. आज
दॅट इज फायन, बट रिजनल पार्टीक आयज हांगा ज्यो घडटात ताका फ्युचर आसा काय ना?
there is no future of such a situation where leaders from regional parties run for power in the other party which is national because it is ruling
Okay.
in the
Okay. Last word.
What I would say is that you see there is need for one regional party encompassing all Goan, Marathi, Konkani, Catholic, Hindu, all that. If we can form such a party,
Which will never happen.
I don't really know. At some point of time, things
Which
may
will
go
never
well.
happen. तो सांगता मराठीचे एकटे या ते म्हणतात ते म्हणतात मराठीचे एकटे यायला आपण तुमच्या बरोबर येताना या ना. So that will never happen.
त्याच बरोबर सगळं लोक ना
So if that happens, then there is a future.
there is definitely, and that is the only way Goa can be saved.
ओके. हांगा आमी खुबशी चर्चा केली. फाटले 1 वर जाले आमी चर्चा करतात. सगळो इतिहासूय पळयलो, युनायटेड गोवन पार्टीचो पळयलो, गोवन लोक पक्षाचो पळयलो, त्याच बरोबर आतांच्यो पार्टी आसात त्याही पार्टीचो पळयलो. हातूंतल्यान मागीर आमी खंय थारावयात मतदार राजा थारायतलो ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली खंयच्यो कितें म्हणट्यो. फक्त ह्या गजालीचो सगळो इतिहास एक तुमचे मुखार हाडचो आणि आज फुडें तुमी जेन्ना 3 मार्चाक मतदान करतले तेन्ना ह्या सगळ्या गजालीचेर विचार करचो म्हणून आमी एक ल्हानशी कार्यावळ तुमचे मुखार हाडली आनी असोच इतिहास आमी तुमचे मुखार हाडत रावतले आणि ह्योच असो इतिहासा नंतर ताजे नंतर आमी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीतलेय बी लोक हांगा हाडटले आणि ताजे नंतर आमी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीतले तुमी फोन करून हांगा हें करतले. लायव्ह कार्यावळ जातली आणि त्या लायव्ह कार्यावळींतल्यान तुमचेय प्रश्न आमी हांगा डिस्कशनाक घेतले. हांगा आयच्या घडयेक आमी ह्या रिजनल पार्टीचो हो पयलो जो हें आसा तो सोपयतात. हाजे नंतर आमी चर्चा करतले. दुसरे दिसाक महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पक्षाची ताजेरी चर्चा जातली, मागीर भारतीय जनता पक्षाची, मागीर काँग्रेस आनी एनसीपीची आणि मागीर वतले आमी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितर. हांगा तुमी जे आसात ते प्रोग्राम हांगा पळयतात आणि हे प्रोग्राम पळोवन त्या प्रमाणे तुम्ही मतदान करचे. ह्या सगळ्या गजालीचो इतिहासाचो विचार करचो अशी आमचे तुमचे कडेन एक मागणे. तुम्ही हांगा तिघी जाण आमच्या स्टुडिओ भितर आयले म्हणून तुमचो काळजांत हांव उपकारी. हांगा पळयत रावात मतदार राजा आणि प्रुडंट मिडिया.